big bad guy? I can feel the presence of... My lord, the space wizard. Is he nearby? No. I had too much chili sauce on my breakfast burrito. Now I have bubble guts. Really? Well, last week you said it was gluten. Wedgie, enough! Oh, and if the rebels take the bait while I'm busy, use attack plan Alpha, Red, X, Delta. How is Ron? And the girls? Good. He has taken them to buy new sneakers. That's nice. The rebels, sir. They're coming through the space warp gate. Initiate attack plan. Alpha, Red, Shut up, you old bag. Unless you want to get a tickling. But, Lord Wedgie, you're so beautiful. No, I'm a battle-scarred, future space lord.
So really? You think I'm beautiful?